I'm Mary Evelyn McKee, and I am the interior designer for the Flower Showhouse for 2021 in historic Briarfield, Alabama. Let me show you around. I could curl up here all day and read. It's so cozy. We've got the Currying Company swing arm sconce lamps, which make it perfect for reading a book. And I'm lying on the Candler Collection beds by Suzanne Kassler, which we customized with flathead tacks around the self-placket. The fabric is from the Eden Collection by Cravat. It's called Azure Teal, that has this wonderful dragonfly on it, which is a particular family favorite. We quilted the material for the bedspreads and the shams, and then also used it on the upholstery. This very handy and easy to use bedside table is by Hickory Chair from the Winterthur Collection, and this great looking rock lamp is from Currying Company. The room is a very small, intimate cubby of a room, and we decided to go with a dark, rich color because if it's dark, it's dark. If it's small, it's small. It is what it is. And to me, it makes it even more so and cozier. The Devonshire green walls and ceiling are terrific for a really curling up, reading a book, sleeping late sort of space. Perfect for the grandchildren or as alternate sleeping quarters for whoever needs them.